All right, here's an update with the Jeep 4.0 YJ Supercharger build. We have a M90 Supercharger that came off of a Grand Prix. This is just a test for the serpentine belt alignment to make sure everything runs smooth across the accessories inside here. I don't have the crank hooked up to it because obviously I need the engine running for that. But I wanted to check to make sure that all the idlers are running straight and will stay on during the operation. So I just have a cordless drill with a socket on the end of it. So here's what it looks like when it's running. Alright, so that's just a test to make sure everything lines up. I just made an adapter to go from the standard intake, and just made it out of just 1/4-inch plate steel. Just welded up a box so the supercharger will funnel into it. Inside this adapter box, I'm going to add a 7th injector. That way I can actually have it timed so when I'm on boost, the injector will start firing. Because this one here is a 4.0. It has 6 injectors at the back over here. So it's going to run off of a Speeduino. I'm actually making a Speeduino ECU for it. That way I can control the boost and control the extra injector, the 7th injector. So it will only come on when it's on boost, and that way I can adjust it. So that's what it looks like. So I just got to finish welding up everything and put in some stops at the top here just so I can align everything. And then because of the extra weight of the 1/4-inch plate steel, I'm going to add some supports from the actual engine mount. It's going to be mounted underneath here. I'm actually going to weld in some supports that will actually carry into here and come up underneath and be welded to the adapter box through there's some channels in there. And that way any extra weight that's on here won't just be on the casting of the aluminum. It will be from this 1/4-inch box all the way down to the actual engine mounts, right? That way, like, it's not going to be attached to the actual Jeep frame. It's going to be actually attached to the Jeep's engine brackets, right? So that way there's no extra stress on the actual aluminum intake there. And then I'm going to tear the whole thing apart and clean it all up and have it paint certain parts and paint different things and get a new harmonic balancer and whatnot, and then we'll go from there. So there's Pipe Dreams Canada with another project.